The one closer, the presidential candidate who will be India's next president, even as there is support growing for P.A. Sangma from within his own party, there is opposition. General Secretary of the NCP, D.P. Tripathi, saying that P.A. Sangma should back Pranab Mukherjee's candidature. He should toe the party line. The meeting is on the 21st of June, and he says that Sangma will abide by the party diktat. Take a listen.
ये तो शिष्टाचार की मुलाकात है। हम लोग घटक दल हैं। मैं भी एनसीपी का एक संसद सदस्य हूं और माननीय प्रणब मुखर्जी जी का वोटर हूं मैं, तो उनसे मिलना तो मेरा कर्तव्य है। जहां तक संगमा साहब का प्रश्न है, वो हमारी पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता हैं और 21 तारीख को हमारी पार्टी की बैठक हो रही, जिसमें संगमा साहब भी आ रहे हैं और हमें पूरा भरोसा है उन पर कि वो यूपीए के उम्मीदवार श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी का ही समर्थन करेंगे।
लेकिन वो लगातार कह रहे हैं कि बैठने का सवाल ही नहीं होता है।
अगर संगमा साहब अपने उम्मीदवार पे डटे रहे तो कल उनको पार्टी से निकाला जाएगा, और क्या अगर उनको उनके साथ कार्रवाई की जाएगी?
संगमा साहब हमारे बहुत ही वरिष्ठ और आदरणीय नेता हैं। ये अगर पर राजनीति नहीं होती है कभी अटकलबाजियों पर। 21 तारीख को हमारी बैठक हो रही 6 बजे, आप लोग आइए, उसके बाद हम आपको अपनी पार्टी का निर्णय बताएंगे।
Aishwarya, it's a strong comment coming in from a senior leader within the NCP. So the party line is very clear. P.A. Sangma has to toe the party diktat, listen to the party diktat and fall in line. But what is P.A. Sangma thinking? Because there is growing support for him, isn't it? Because the NDA wants to back him and get him to contest against Pranab Mukherjee.
That's absolutely correct, but then coming back to D.P. Tripathi and all these NCP senior leaders, all of them have been saying ever since P.A. Sangma's name came in that he is not in the race, but then again P.A. Sangma has been clearly disobeying them and rather seeking support from his own leader Sharad Yadav on record in front of the media. So P.A. Sangma is still, on a personal level, he is still maintaining that point that he is in the race. He is not getting that support from his own party, and that is the basic point of concern even for the BJP and the NDA, who have nearly zeroed in on him, that if they really back him, will he maintain his stand or will he back out on the pressure from his own party? And then D.P. Tripathi, after meeting Pranab Mukherjee, making that comment that he will be a part of that meeting, or of that NCP meeting on the 21st, once again sends out signals. Though P.A. Sangma is keeping quiet as of now, what we are hearing from our sources from within is that he will only speak after the NDA meeting tomorrow, and that is what he's keeping his eye on. But the NDA is keeping his eyes on P.A. Sangma, that whether he will maintain standing for the president's position, because the manner in which the kind of pressure is being put on him by his own party, it is something which is really troubling the NDA, because the allies have already parted their ways. Shiv Sena has gone across, the JDU is coming, the Akalis, so it's all trouble now.